hat woman.
Oh my. Hey y'all, today I'm doing my mom's hair and this is the canvas that we are starting with. Her hair has been cleaned and dried. I'm going to be using the Shine and Jam conditioning gel. I do usually use the BTL braiding gel, but this is what I had on hand. So I have sectioned off her hair and I have made a row. She's going to be having medium to jumbo size braids today. And I did put the jam on the part so that I could repart it and make sure that the part is nice and clean. Okay, so I've sectioned off the piece of hair that we're going to be starting with. I am also using the pre-stretched braiding hair. This is in 36 inches and this pack does come with 4 pre-stretched bundles. When I do my knotless braids, I like to split the piece that I'm working on into 3 pieces and then I immediately add the extension hair to the 2 pieces on the right side. I do a repetition of a braid and then I add the next piece of extension hair to the 2 pieces on the right side and then I do another repetition. Sometimes I do multiple repetitions depending on how big the braid is going to be or how much hair the client has. But this is how I do my knotless braids. I always add the braid to the 2 pieces on the right hand side and then I continue braiding down. Once I get to the end of the natural hair of my client, I do like to add more product in order to blend the hair with the extensions so we don't see any flyaways or any mismatch in the braid because we like smooth, clean, nice, cute braids, okay? All right, so I'm using the Milky Way human braiding hair and this is deep bulk in 18 inches. And the way this hair looked, y'all about to see that right now. All right, this is not the old school braiding hair. I don't know what they started doing, baby, but yeah, this is wefted. It's wefted braiding hair. I'm confused. But if you see the weft, I pull right from below the weft, only like in small sections. Just pull in small sections and it'll slip right through. Maybe they did that to I don't know. Maybe they did that. I don't know. Do y'all know why they did that? I don't like it though. I don't like it. Maybe better organization or something, but that's a waste of thread. They didn't have to weft it. They didn't have to start doing that. But anyway, when I did add the human hair, I added it as if I was doing a knotless braid, but you want to leave the curly part out. That is what gives the bohemian look. So here we are at like, what is this? The middle. We're at the middle of her head now, and we are still doing the process. I did not speed the video up at this point because I want y'all to see what I'm doing. This is not just to do my mom's hair with me video. It's like I'm really trying to explain to y'all so that you can do this at home because the way this economy is it's a little crazy. So sometimes you got to do your own hair, okay? And I'm just really trying to help. I'm just here to help. So here we are. I'm going to try to explain this better. I'm putting the human hair into the braid, but we're going to braid the straight part of the human hair and we're going to leave the curly part out of the braid. It's the same repetition of knotless hair, of knotless braids, but you're just leaving the curly part out. That's it. That's all. It's so easy, you know, and period. Okay, so I'm speeding it up at this point, but I'm going to talk to y'all a little bit as well. If y'all kind of didn't catch what I was doing or didn't understand, just rewind this video and try and try again, okay? Just keep trying. It's going to work out for you. But I also want to let y'all know that these bohemian braids are not like the typical braids that y'all see on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere, Pinterest, all the places. It's not the same because my mom is not a hair person and she already told me that she does not want a lot of hair. She didn't want it long. She don't want a lot of hair loose. She just does not want that. So I have to provide because if I don't, she's going to be calling me every day and she's going to be trying to come to my house every day so that I can do her hair for her every day, and I don't have that kind of time. And she knows that, okay? So Just be mindful of that as you're watching this video. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for your understanding. So now we're at the top and she's yawning and she's telling me I'm taking too long basically, but I'm ignoring her. I'm doing a middle part, although she is not leaving with a middle part. She wants a side part. However, I like to give my clients versatility because maybe in the future when I'm not around and she's not coming to my house every day to help me, for me to get her to, I can't even get the words out. She's not coming to my house every day for me to help her get her hair together, okay? Yeah, so I did a middle part just in case that's what she wanted later on down the line. Now, back to this, the volume and the density of these braids, right? In order to make the braids not be so full, what I did in the back was I only added like 1 to 2 pieces of human hair. And then as I got towards the top part, I added 2 to 3 pieces of human hair just because we don't want it to look full, but we also don't want it to look crazy out here in these streets. So we want to kind of just give it a little bit of balance. So I definitely put the curly pieces in the top 3 to 4. 2 to 3. I'm so sorry. So sorry about that. 2 to 3 pieces in the top. Okay. Yeah. Okay, y'all. So even though my mom yawned while I was doing her hair in such a disrespectful manner, I'm just playing. She was not being disrespectful to me. But even though she did yawn, this style only took 3 hours. I started around 6 p.m. and then I ended around 9 p.m. So overall, this took me 3 hours to do. Why did I start so late? Because I gotta work my other job. Okay, I can be Jamaican. I got a 13 job, man. Listen, for real though, like when I go to the grocery store, people that's from different countries literally tell me that I sound like I'm not sound like what I look like I'm from the different countries. You know, like if they're from a different island, if they're from Jamaica or Africa, they ask me, are you African? Are you Jamaican? And I be like, no, but I wish, bruh. I'm African American. But anyway, it's okay. It's okay. We here still. Amen. All right. I am approaching the end. We are approaching the end. We have one more braid to go after this one. And don't be disappointed in me, but I did not record the part where I put mousse on her hair and did the finishing touches. But rest assured, I did do that part. Okay? I did do that part. But overall, she enjoyed her hair. She loves her hair. She's flipping it everywhere. And she cute or whatever. She cute or whatever. You're going to see. You saw a little bit at the beginning, but you know, this is it. This is really it. If you enjoy this content from me, like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on. I feel like I've been on a roll. I've been so consistent for the past 3 weeks, and I'm so proud of myself. So I don't plan on doing anything less than remaining consistent this year. Amen. Y'all have a wonderful day, afternoon, evening, night, midnight, all that. Peace out. Talk to you later.